Hello guys, my name is Serpa and today I'm going to be opening Canon EOS 2000D. Okay, so let's open it. It's a kit, so we have everything here. We have the bag, and the main thing, camera. It has some weight to it. And this is it. Here it is. Here's the camera. Okay, so I'm going to be opening the camera. Here's the band, the manuals, the not important things, and the memory card, and the charger, the battery, the lens, the battery charger. Okay, so here we have the camera. It has some very nice texture to it. It's a bit of matte, and this has some leather texture, but I think it's rubber. It has very nice textures. Okay, this is it, and the lens. Ooh, nice. Okay, and this is my first DSLR camera, and thank you for watching my video, and it's also my first camera review, so thank you for watching.